Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Are you ready for Valentine's Day this year? If not, then this hairstyle is definitely for you because it's so easy and I'll say very lazy. So begin by brushing our hair and making our parting, and we'll brush all our hair backwards and we will tie it with an elastic. You can use a clear elastic or an elastic that matches your hair color. Make sure to pull your hair only halfway through and then make an opening through this loose ponytail. You want to bring this loop and the ends. Now we want to loosen our hair like I'm showing. Hide the ends and bring the loop upwards like I'm showing. Actually, we'll loosen more our hairstyle to make it like a French twist looking, and use enough bobby pins and grips to fix it in place. Make sure everything is nice and smooth and spray it to fix it in place. Use some accessories if you need, like I did. This hairstyle will be perfect even for those with heavy hair because we are securing it with this elastic and this loop. So try it, you'll thank me later. I hope that you enjoyed this hairstyle and I hope you'll have an amazing Valentine's Day. I love you so much and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Mwah! Bye!